mga benepisyo sa pag-inom nito para meron kang batayan at medyo meron kang excitement, 'di ba? Nabilin po itong product na ito. Okay? Makinig ka pong mabuti. Magsisimula pa tayo sa number 1 hanggang 38. Ito po ay scientifically validated reason to drink Goji and Gochi every day. Number 1, extend life, increase your energy and strength, look and feel younger. Maintain healthy blood pressure, prevent cancer, maintain healthy cholesterol levels, promote normal blood sugars and manage diabetes, enhance sexual function, help you lose weight, relieve headache and dizziness, improve quality of sleep, improve your vision, strengthen your heart, inhibit lipid peroxidation, improve disease resistance, improve immune response, manage and fight cancer, protect your precious DNA, inhibit tumor, reduce the toxic side effect of chemotherapy and radiation, build strong blood, help chronic dry cough, fight inflammation and arthritis, improve lymphocyte count, treat menopausal syndromes, prevent morning sickness, improve fertility, strengthen your muscles and bone, support normal kidney function, improve your memory, support healthy liver function, alleviate anxiety and stress, brighten your spirit, improve digestion, maintain healthy gums, fight fibromyalgia, prevent allergies, and protect children's health. Yun po yung 38 scientifically validated health kapag ito po ay binili mo